Hey guys, guess what? We're playing on the lifeboat server, and there's the lifeboat guy. So today you're on our some person's server. I love playing on this server. I play on this server all the time. Problem is, there's way too many people here. So, yeah, there's gonna be some problems. Let's just go play that. Whoa. Wait, no, actually, to make this, let's go play teams. There we go, we got this. Okay. So I fixed it, and now we're going to be joining the team server. Oops, sorry about that sound. I'm right next to my door. Okay. What the? How are you supposed to leave the game? Where is it? How do you leave from the... Whatever. Let's not worry about it right now. Okay, we got this. Okay, let's go play Snowbound. Playing on a phone is really hard. Like, this is an Android. So let's just hide the chat. Okay. This is awesome. Okay, so there's so far 2 blues. So these 2 guys are, this guy's green, that guy is red, that guy. Die man kid? Bruh, what kind of name is that? That's just sad. Okay, well, when the game starts, great, we have to wait 2 minutes for nobody to join. I'm just gonna go destroy these guys really fast. I'm just gonna say I'm recording. I'm recording sub to gaming boy 92 B92. Okay, hopefully they saw that. What? Oh my god, hacker. Is that a hacker? No. Yeah. It's pretty much almost touched the water, so it's all good. Okay, so this has probably been pretty boring for now. This is so long. I'm just gonna cut the video here. There's gonna be a part 2, guys.